So hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be painting. I am so excited, but this video is sponsored by Sherwin Williams, and this is going to be part 1 of a 4-part series. So I hope you guys are ready. So right now I am at the garage door and I'm showing you how dirty that door looks. It is going to get a new fresh coat of paint, you guys. The first thing that I'm going to start doing is applying the tape around the doors, just so that way I don't get paint on the current paint now, which is a final gray, also from Sherwin Williams, and also on the cabinet. And here is the finished door, which looks so good, and I'm so excited to go ahead and start painting. Then I'm going to go ahead and jump to the door leading out to the garage. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same measures so I don't get any paint on that gray color. So now that I have all of the doors taped down, I'm going to be going in with the Sherwin Williams Emerald Urethane Trim Enamel. On the second video, I will be sure to go in more detail about the paint, but right now I just want to break down what I'm doing on this first part video. As you can see, there's a detail on the door. What I'm doing is going in with the Wooster shortcut brush and making sure that I'm staying in line to paint that detail. I'm going to do 2 coats of that around the trim, and it's going to go on the interior door facing the house and the exterior door, the one that's facing the garage. And once I'm done with the 2 coats of the paintbrush into those detail areas, I am then going to go in with the roller. And just in case I forgot to mention, the color is Iron Ore by Sherwin Williams. A lot of you mistake the color for being black, but it's actually a charcoal gray color. So moving right along, here I am at the front door. I did slow down the footage a bit, you guys. I got so excited that I started painting before I could show you. Even though I clean all the time, the front door just stayed really dirty. Going in with the iron ore is not only going to save me time, but it's also going to help with the appearance of the door. So moving right to the last door that's going to be going in with that Sherwin Williams iron ore is the patio door, and I am so happy that I remembered to show you guys what it looked like before I painted, because now that spring is here and summer is shortly around the corner, this door is going to be the door that's probably going to be getting more action than any door in the house. And as you can see, you can already see little baby fingerprints on the door because the kids play outside, they run, they come back in the house. That iron ore, I'm telling you, it is saving my life. The doors now have been painted for about 3 to 4 days, and I am absolutely loving it. OMG, you guys. Okay, so I literally just put down all of the plastic to cover everything to finish painting. Yes! I'm so excited. And everything is taped down in this area, which is like the guest area here, the bathroom, and also the floor. Yes, Bobby. The moment I'm sure a lot of you guys have been waiting for. All of the plates are going to be going back, and I just kind of wanted to show you the wall really quickly. There's some little details here. There were nail pops all throughout the wall here, and nail pops here, and nail pops. So the guy came in and fixed all the nail pops, not the builders people. We hired our own people, and they came in and did all the nail pops. But you see how dirty the wall is, and I clean all the time, but the boys have a tendency to just touch this instead of touching here. But really quickly, all of this is going to get a new fresh coat of paint also, just to brighten it up. And then this most definitely is going to get a fresh coat of paint. Again, just to brighten it up. You can see that. But as you can see, there were some nicks and scuffs from the movers moving furniture in here. So that had to be patched up, and it's going to get sanded today. I'm going to go ahead and sand that. This right here is going to get sanded and all of that. And then this right here is going to get sanded. But this whole entire hallway is going to get new paint. When you actually move in close to look at it, that's when you can really see the damage and stuff. Because talking about it and sometimes telling you guys, you're like, Nadia, what are you cleaning? But you can definitely see it. Like I said, the kids tend to touch everything. So now that you've seen the hallway, I'm gonna go ahead and start covering everything. The upstairs hallway is done. I'm gonna be going in with that plastic protectant, and I'm going to be cutting it into a much smaller square unit so I can go around the wood spindles on the staircase, because I don't want any paint getting on the stairs. In the future, I am going to restain it again, just because I have like little nicks and things like that from moving furniture and just the normal wear and tear of going up and down the steps. But I'm gonna go ahead and tape everything down so that way I can go ahead and protect the area from any paint splatters or any spills of any sort while the work is getting done to the house. Here's a quick glimpse of the before, and again, you're going to be seeing the after in the second part video, but I have been waiting so long to give this area a fresh coat of paint, and I'm telling you, if you have never tried it, the emerald urethane trim is amazing, you guys. So now we're back in the garage and the door has the paint. So if you were wondering why I needed to do a 4-part video, is because I have so much information that I want to share with you guys. Not only did the house go under getting a new coat of paint, but I also ended up changing the handles on the doors. There goes my son peeking in the hole. So one of the things that I want to share with you guys are going to be the new locks that went on the door and also the new handles. I decided to go from a key to a keyless entry into our home. I just feel like it was going to be a whole lot easier just for the kids to have access. We don't have to worry about any keys or anything like that. So I want to share that with you guys. I want to share with you a really quick glimpse of the door one last time, and I'm so happy because here on camera you can really see that iron ore and see that it's a charcoal gray and not black, and then the black handle, which I love. That's pretty much all, you guys. Show you how easy it is, and he's 5. Look at that.